Hey guys, welcome to Old School Bodybuilding. So today I just wanted to do a video, as you can see here, on my version of Vince Gironda's meat and egg diet. So right now I am not currently using any meat in my breakfast, but as you can see here, I am just starting my eggs, and I start off with Kerrygold butter, like Vince talks about in his works or programs. So one of the things I try to do is I try not to cook them all the way through. I just try to make them somewhat runny in the middle, you know, so basically over medium. And for me right now, I am taking in about 6 eggs for breakfast. So not a ton, but you know, not a small amount either. So after I get them all in the pan, I just simply get a cover and put it on top, just so I don't have to sit there and watch it forever. So then of course after they're done, just or close to done, I'll come in and just flip them, just like I said, over medium really quick, just to make sure they're somewhat done on top. But then that's it, guys. So then I'll just take a little bit of salt and pepper and just put a few of those spices on there. I think that's McCormick's, but whatever, you can use any sort of pepper you'd like. And then after I throw a little bit of sea salt on there, that's breakfast. And as far as supplements goes, things I take with my eggs in the morning are liver pills, liver tablets, however you want to call it, vitamin C, kelp, and also amino tablets. So that's it, guys. It's a pretty simple basic breakfast. 6 eggs, a few supplements, and just a little bit of water to get it down. So if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn the bell notification on. Thanks, guys.